Hello all, I welcome you all to my YouTube channel and today's problem set is Tucson. So what given in the problem is we are given an input array and a target variable. So basically we have to find a set of two values which satisfy by addition of those two values satisfies the target value. So here in this example we have target value to be 9 and by having a glance on the input array we can see that two values of the array are 7 and 2 on which we add, if we do addition of both these values, that is 7 plus 2, we get the target value to be 9. So we have to pass the index value of both these values, so that will be 0 to 1. So first approach that comes into my mind is the brute force, that I fix this indices and I iterate towards the whole array, and we'll see that if both addition of both the I and j pair resultant to the 9. But the thing is it takes n square time and we have to find something more optimized solution. For that I'll be using dictionary. So what in dictionary is, first I have defined the dictionary. So what I will do basically in the dictionary part, see, uh, I will first iterate towards this array, that is len of nums, right? Now if I go for this and I subtract this from 9, that would be 7. I will search if 7 already present in the dictionary. See, dictionary element contain two things, key pair and the value pair, right? Key and value. So in the key part I will be putting these values here, and in the value part I will be putting those indices. So by subtracting 9 minus 2, it will give me the value to be 7. So I will search, is 7 already present in the dictionary? If 7 is in the dictionary, then it means I will return the index value of both the 2 and 7. If not, then I will iterate to the next index value in the array. So now if not, then I have stored 2 as a key and its index to be 0 in the dictionary value pair, right? Now if I go for 7, I subtract 9 minus 7 and it gives me 2, and on searching 2 in the dictionary I get to know that 2 exists in the dictionary. It means the solution exists, right? So I will be returning both of those. So if we see, uh, if I consider the value to be target minus nums of I, and if I search if well in dictionary, then it means I'm returning it, returning dictionary of val comma I. Otherwise I will be storing it dictionary of nums of I equals to I, right? Let's see, by running the code will it pass or not. Yes, it's passed perfectly. And the best part it is we have given the condition that solution would definitely exist. One solution would definitely exist. So there is no need to go for boundary cases and all those things. It's a very simple question, right? So I think you got this intuition behind this question. And if you have any doubt, please do write in the comment section. I will reach you out as soon as possible. Let's submit it also. We'll see if all the cases are passed. Yes, all the cases are passed. Thank you so much. Thank you.